What's up, guys? Welcome back. For those of you who don't know, my name's Eric. Thank you for tuning in. For those of you who are returning and watching my video again, thank you. I really appreciate that. Today, I got the track video for you guys. Didn't take the best video I wanted to, but still got some. Check it out. Hope you guys enjoy it, man. Guys, man, I just recorded for like 2 minutes. I was talking. My arm even started getting tired, dude. I was holding up. But anyways, recap, goes. Car was as good as I could have expected it. The car reacted really good. It was all motor, no nitrous. Fastest time was a 7.742 at 90.18 miles per hour. I'm definitely gonna try to hit that 7.6 NA next time. I think I can. There's a couple things that I have in mind that I want to do. The whole nitrous thing, I couldn't run it because I didn't have a blowout tube attached to it. Just in case something does happen with the system and it blows out, I needed to go into the atmosphere. So that's why I couldn't do it. So what I'm going to do is actually, I'm already going to start it. I'm going to move this tank to my trunk. I have plenty of slack on my line. Move it to my trunk, add the tube there, and go right through the trunk, right through where the spare wheel is, where the spare wheel would go, and it should go into the atmosphere. So I'll be good by then. I'm going again on Saturday. I'll be there. I'm hoping I'm ready to rock, which I should be. My two biggest things was not having this where it's supposed to, as far as with safety. So I'm gonna take care of that. And my other one was a helmet. I tried to take this one, but this one wasn't Snell approved. I had to buy this one there. Wasn't counting on that, but you know what? Now I got a good helmet. And it even goes with my bike, actually. So I can use it for drag racing and I can use it for my motorcycle. So I'm pretty happy overall with what happened. Learn all the little things you got to know at the track. So I'm super excited to be there this Saturday. I'm going to get everything as I can possibly ready. I might even throw on my Hoosiers on just to see. Even though my tires I had on now were solid. But we'll see. We'll see how the week plays out. But anyways, man, catch this last clip of some really dope cars ripping it. 5.2, 5.3, 5.4 cars on the eighth of a mile, just zooming by. I try to get as much as I can. I hope you guys enjoy, man.
Driver in the right lane was hit by 2 seconds.